Airport security. That magical place where time stops, socks come off, and dignity goes to die. We've all been there, standing in line, juggling trays, praying your toothpaste doesn't count as a national threat. But here's the thing. Most of that chaos isn't bad luck. It's our own fault. So today, we're breaking down 6 airport security mistakes that waste your time, and how to fix them before your next flight. Because, let's face it, the only thing worse than missing your flight is watching it board while you're still unlacing your shoes. At number 1, packing liquids the wrong way. Let's start with the classic. The 100 milliliter liquid rule. Simple, right? Wrong. Somehow half the planet still forgets it every year. The rule says each container must be 100 milliliters or less, all packed in one transparent zip bag, max 1 liter total. That means your 200 milliliter shampoo is illegal, even if it's half full. TSA doesn't do fractions. Tell you one thing. Get mini refillable bottles, label them clearly, and keep them on top of your bag. Every second you spend digging through socks for toothpaste is another soul lost in the queue behind you. Now, number 2, forgetting how to handle devices. And once you've mastered the art of legal liquids, it's time to face the next battle, your electronics. We all know the drill. Laptops out, tablets out, nothing in sleeves or cases. Yet somehow, every flight, someone acts surprised, like TSA just made it up that morning. Here's a time-saving secret. Pack your electronics in a separate, easy-access pouch. That way, you can pull them out in one smooth motion, instead of performing a full archaeological dig at the conveyor belt. And no, that laptop pocket in your backpack doesn't count if it's buried under 5 hoodies. Airports like Heathrow or Munich now use CT scanners where you don't have to remove electronics, but don't risk guessing. Always assume the worst and prepare to unpack. Next, number 3, wearing security nightmare clothing. All right, your gadgets are out, but there's still one thing slowing you down more than any machine ever could. Your outfit. Metal belts, heavy boots, jewelry that could set off a car alarm. If your outfit jingles, you're basically volunteering for a pat-down. Choose slip-on shoes, no belts, and minimal metal accessories. That airport fashion you see on Instagram? It's great until you're barefoot on a cold floor holding your jeans up. Even smart travelers forget watches, coins, or hidden zippers that trigger alarms. Remember, the less you wear that can beep, the faster you're through, and the less you star in someone's security footage. Sliding into number 4, tray chaos, mixing items wrong. But even with perfect clothes, you can still ruin it all at the luggage scanner, especially if you treat that tray like a puzzle. This one's underrated. You're supposed to separate electronics, liquids, and jackets into different trays, not pile them like lasagna. Why? Because when security has to rescan, everyone behind you suffers. Here's a simple order that works almost everywhere. First tray, electronics and liquids. Second, jacket, belt, shoes. Last, your main bag. It's fast, clean, and avoids the dreaded bag check announcement that sends your blood pressure to 300. Think of it as a mini assembly line, and you're the product that needs to ship fast. But let's be real in number 5, ignoring staff or signs. Even if your trays are perfect, your attitude might still sabotage you. Security agents repeat the same 10 instructions every minute, and half the people don't listen. So if you ever wonder why the line isn't moving, it's because someone's arguing about why their full-size water bottle should be fine. Want to fly through faster? Listen, most airports have staff literally pointing, showing, and telling you what to do. They want you to get it right. Being that one person who debates a rule doesn't make you a hero. It just makes 200 people hate you silently. So yes, nod, smile, follow the rules, and save your rebellion for in-flight seat recline wars. And finally, number 6, not preparing before you reach the belt. This is the last and most painful mistake of them all. the one that wastes more time than all the others combined. If you only remember one thing, make it this. Prep before it's your turn. Empty your pockets. Take out your liquids. Unzip your laptop. Don't wait until you're at the scanner to suddenly realize you're wearing a metal belt and carrying 3 water bottles. Seasoned travelers start prepping in line. It saves minutes. Security is like cooking. The prep work makes all the difference. Or in this case, it keeps you from being the person who causes the sigh ripple down the line. So there you go, 6 airport security mistakes that turn a smooth trip into a stress marathon. The truth? It's not about luck or bad airports. It's about knowing how the system works and not being the reason it doesn't. So next time you fly, remember, the goal isn't just to pass security. It's to pass through without becoming a meme. Tell me in the comments which mistake you've seen the most, or confess which one you're guilty of. And if you love travel hacks that save both time and dignity. Because honestly, after surviving security, you deserve free snacks and silence.